Hello Ganofins, this is your Ganofins here and welcome back to JavaScript programming tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to tell you about the if-else statement. The else statement, we use the else statement to specify a block of code that will execute if the condition is false. Well, let me show you the syntax of this if-else statement. First of all, we have to type if expression, then the curly brackets comes here and the condition and the here the statement comes which you want to execute if this condition is true, and if the condition is going to false, then the statement between this statement s2 will execute. If the condition on this if statement will be false, then this else statement will be execute. Well, let's see example of this if else statement. As you can see here, I assigned the value of s1 as 5, s2 as 10, and here if s1 is greater than s2, then a alert will be generated. JavaScript easy to learn, and if this will be false, then alert second condition will be generated. As you can see, 5 is less than 10, that's why this will be false and this gonna be true. And let's see what will happen if I run this file, and you can see I linked this HTML file with this JavaScript file here. Well, let's try to run it. You can see that alert second condition has been generated because the condition s1 is greater than s2 was false. That's why this alert second has been generated. Now let's talk about the else if statement. You can use the else if statement to specify a new condition if the first condition is false. Similarly, like in this if else statement, you can also use if else if statement. If you want, you can use that if else statement. Well, I hope you understood about the if else statement. If else statement. If you have any query or question regarding to these things, then you can ask me in the comment section below. Well, thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for getting updates. Also subscribe to my gaming channel. Thank you guys.